Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today we're going to be making some apple cake, a gluten-free apple cake using this gluten-free almond flour. Using this almond flour, and these are the ingredients we have for today. We got some apples over here. I got 4 apples, which I will clean and slice. I got some honey, I got some baking powder. We're going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, some flax seeds, and this is the hot water for the flax seeds in order to make the substitute egg wash. So with flax seeds, and I will show you how to make this. Okay, I got my apples all sliced and diced over here. And the first things first, I am going to go ahead and make my flaxseed mixture. So I'm going to put roughly about three spoons of flax seeds. Is that 1 spoon? 2, put some 3 in there. And I'm going to put the hot water in here. And I have to stir this. Remember to stir this occasionally. And I have to, once it's in the water, once the flax seeds is in the hot water, you should let it rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the wet ingredients into the big mixing bowl, which is the flax seed mixture. In this spoon, I'm going to put about 2 spoons. So I got 1 heapful here. It's perfect. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and I'll mix this together. Okay, then to this mixture, I'm going to add about 1.5 or 1.25 cup of flour, almond flour. So I'll mix this slowly and then I'll stir this too. So I take a fork and I just went through it when it comes to doing that. A lot of apples to this. Okay, I just poured everything into this baking dish, which I coated with avocado oil, and now I'm just going to go ahead and level it. The oven on at 400. I'm just going to go ahead first and preheat the oven for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of it being preheated, I'm going to turn this to 30 minutes at 400, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my baking dish in. Okay, it's been about half an hour and the cake is done, and look at this. Look at that, guys. I'm going to keep it outside, wait for it to cool down a bit, and let's eat. Okay, it has cooled down a bit now, and let me just try this. Oh, wow. It's so delicious, so moist. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, the Anti-Inflammatory Kitchen, for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day.